What's going on YouTube? In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing and review of the iPad Air M2. So this is the 2024 edition. These iPads are on sale along with the base and the iPad Pro. As of recording this video, it's the holiday season. So I'm just doing this video to kind of answer the question of, should you take advantage of the discount, or do you need this iPad type, or do you need to get the base or the Pro version? So I'm just going to try and answer that question for you. And while the sale's going on, you can make that decision and hopefully take advantage of the discounts. So this is the M2 iPad Air. This is the 12.9 inch. This is the 2024 edition, I guess you'd say. It has some of the modern stuff. And it is a 128 Wi-Fi only model. So we're going to do unboxing real quick. It's your typical Apple packaging, so not much has changed. You take the lid off, you see the iPad there. So we're going to unwrap it and show you what it comes with. It comes with the USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-C, and a charging brick. I believe it's 20 watts. So that's basically all that comes in the box. This is the M2 iPad. So what makes this different from, let's say, the base, which I do compare the two, the iPad 10th generation and this one, is they both have kind of the same design. This iPad switches to the landscape camera, the front-facing camera, so that's good for those that do video call. It supports, of course, the keyboards and the Magic Keyboard and all that, so it has all the modern stuff. It is the M2, so it will support the Apple Intelligence updates that have came in iOS 18 and now iPadOS 18. They will continue to add Apple Intelligence, and this iPad does support it, so that's a good thing, unlike the iPad 10th generation. So it's more up to date. It supports the latest Apple Pencil as well, which I demonstrate in a later video. I show you how to activate the pencil and use it. So it does have some modern takes on it. This iPad was released in 2022, I believe. So it's quite old. And there's rumors that there might be an M3 version coming out real soon. So the question is should you take advantage of the discount? So this thing's about, I believe, $100 to $200, depending on where you go, off right now during the holiday seasons. This is November of 24. So if you're watching this in its current time, then there are plenty of discounts for this thing. And I will say, if you are someone that is a light creator or someone that just likes to watch movies and stuff on the iPad, I think this is a good buy. It has plenty of storage at the base configuration. The screen is a lot better than the 10th generation iPad that you see here that I'm comparing it to. It's more responsive. It's not it's not air gapped. So it's more elegant to touch and it's more responsive. It is not a 120 hertz display. That's for the iPad Pros. So you're still getting a 60 hertz LCD display. And I will say that's a bit kind of disappointing in a way, as you're paying a lot of money for this thing, and it's supposed to be a mid-tier to upper mid-tier iPad. So that's kind of unacceptable. So if you want a better screen, then you might want to go for the Pros. It's still LCD. It has USB-C on the bottom there. It has quad speakers, so it's closer to the Pro than it is the base iPad, but not quite there. As of course, the screen has a little less processing power and a little less RAM. But all in all, this is a good iPad for medium to high consumers, especially if you like to create. The Apple Pencil Pro is what this thing supports. It doesn't support really anything else. So if you like to create, this is really the perfect entry level, because the Pros get way more expensive than this. So the iPad Air is a really good median between the Pro expensive and the budget, which is not as feature packed but not as expensive. So this is a perfect entry level. I think if you need processing power and you want to use Apple Intelligence and you like to create, this is it. I hope this helped you, and if it did, let me know. Leave a comment if you have any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And once again, I will demonstrate the Apple Pencil Pro on this thing to show you its capabilities. But it's really meant for mid-tier to high-tier professionals and such. So I think it's worth it. If you need an iPad, definitely spend the money on it. It has Touch ID right there, and it supports the Apple Pencil Pro. So you pretty much get the best for a little bit cheaper than the, let's say, Pro Series iPads. So I hope this helped you. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it would help me. And once again, in the next video, I will demonstrate the Apple Pencil Pro on this thing and just show you how to use it and all that. So I hope this helped you, and I will see you on that video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.